I think it's day 3. What day is it?
Feel my toes.
3:25. I just got up. I didn't wake up barely, but I just got out of bed for a little bit because it's Sunday and it's raining and it's cold outside.
And it's Sunday lazy day.
So it's Sunday lazy day or lazy
went
Sunday. Yeah, all coffee and everything is. I need the control because it's Harry Potter weekend marathon, and I can't believe I haven't been watching it, even though I already have them recorded and I have all the stupid movies. But yeah, my aunts are here right now. They came to see Huicho. And my mom was making caldo de pollo for today. I'm so excited. But again, I haven't done much cleaning, as you can see. And as you can see, but I'll clean today. This thing is gonna be gone today because Mini's gonna go back to her room because our friendship slash roomship is that even a word? Is over. It is over, sister.
Our what?
Our roomship.
What's that?
Our roomship.
What's that?
I don't know. I just totally made up that word. But
I'm still sleeping with you though.
no.
Do your whole germs just land?
I know. I just totally coughed on you. Anyways, let's watch Harry Potter and the
Deathly Hallows Part 2.
Is it?
I'm just being honest.
Anyways, but yeah, let's get the day started. It is super late.
Can I
It is
help
2:30.
you?
I'm trying to look for the control, you piece of shit. But yeah, let's get it started. Ow.
I helped made this, guys.
Nice.
I did, huh? I helped you. Nice for me. That's from my dad. The people that made it first gets to eat.
Just one handful, that's it.
Oh yeah? Actually, you're cheating. Who said?
Okay, my turn.
I lost. You can't drag it, eh?
Hold on.
Okay, that's all. Ready? Count. 8.
You.
You.
No, you first.
You were 13.
Oh, bitch, I ain't 11.
Why do you guys tell me that?
I know, Melissa, you're such a drama. Suitcases.
I always worried about you when I go to the grocery store. Okay?
We're gonna go get some pan dulce. Hopefully they're all open still.
They're not.
And I can get my concha.
Nachos.
Nachos pareces.
Carne asada
Dude,
nachos.
I woke up like
Bye.
2 hours ago and I fell asleep for like 3 hours.
Oh, I guess I'll
The
sleep.
definition of a lazy Sunday.
I actually did something today.
I'm in the shower right now.
You're not gonna go?
No, because you forget about me.
Damn, Daniel.
All the food I fucking bring you, fat ass, and eat in a week. Like those chips, I got them yesterday.
Yay. This is diabetes, and more diabetes, and extra diabetes, but it's worth it. Don't
¿Esta es
touch,
la mía o la tuya?
don't touch my
Not mine.
concha, mom. That's mine.
Give me a chocolate one.
Really? Really, Ariel? Really, Ariel?
Vamos a ir a filmar mañana. Vamos a ir a filmar mañana.